Good morning, students. Welcome back again in computer class. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 6, that is personalizing Windows 7. Children, you have studied what Windows 7 in the previous chapter also. You have studied the basic elements, that is your start button, your taskbar, and your icons in your previous chapter. Now today we are going to discuss how we can change the various settings of Windows 7. That is how we can personalize Windows 7 for us. Now to personalize Windows 7, first of all I will show you how to change the desktop background. Now children, you can see this desktop. In this desktop I have this icon as the background picture. But I don't want to see this icon as background picture. I want to change my icon. I want to change this picture and I want to set another picture as desktop background. Now how we can do that? Just right click your mouse. Here you can see this option personalize. Click here. When you will click here, the window will be open. In that window, you have so many options. What you will choose, you will click on desktop background. You can see here we have window color, sound, screensaver, and desktop background. We will discuss all these features one by one. But first of all, I will change my desktop background. You can see this is my desktop background as you have seen earlier. Now I will click here, desktop background. Now you can see the various pictures that I can select for my desktop background. Now which background I want to choose. For children, I want to choose this background. Fine. I will click here. You can see this is already checked. This box is already checked. Why? Because this is the background that I have in my desktop. Now I want to change it. I will click here. Sorry, I will click here. Okay. This is beautiful. Now when I will click here, you can see this box. You will click on this box. Check here. Now what it is saying? Change picture means you are selecting both the pictures. Then this picture will change after every 1 second. We will try this. Now save changes and I will see what happens. Now you can see this desktop background. Now after 10 seconds this will come. Again after 10 seconds the previous one will come. Means this background will shuffle, will change automatically one by one. So this is the option that I can click on this personalized window. Now again I will click on desktop background, but I don't want to check both the boxes. I just want only one background and I don't want to shuffle the background. What I have to do? So I have to check only one box and another one I have to again remove that. Fine. Now this option is not active option. So this will be the only background of my computer. Now children, here I have another option, picture position. How many options I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 positions. Fill I have already selected, means in the entire desktop I have only one picture. What happen when I will select fit? Let's select, let's check. So what happens? The same picture again, but that fit on my computer. Now next. Now children, again I want to show you the screensaver. Children, you have understood the desktop background. Now we will move to the screensaver. Now, if you want to change the screensaver, please do all these things with me. When I'm explaining, you also turn on your computer and you do the same things on your computer also, so that you can understood properly. Now children, you can see here, you will select the screensaver that you want. Now what is screensaver? It is a moving picture that appears automatically on your computer when your computer is. Now to bring back your desktop again, you just move your mouse or press any key from the keyboard. Fine. Now I am not able to show you this screensaver because I don't have video card in my computer, so it is not showing. But you can use all these options on your computer. Fine, children. Now, children. Now, children, we will check the color scheme. I want to change the Windows color. I will click here, Windows color option. Now this comes on my computer. From here, you can check the color, which color you want to use for your color scheme. And you can select that color and you will have that color on your Windows taskbar and message box. Here you can see the light blue. Then the color that you will select, that will come here. Now children, one thing more I want to tell you. Suppose you want to, Windows 7 has also option gadget. You want to display gadgets on your screen. You will right click, click gadget, and in that gadget you can see the various options. You can select the gadget which you want to see on your desktop, on your monitor screen. Now in my computer screen, I have so many options. Now I want to show this clock. So what I have to do, I will just click here and the clock will automatically just drag and drop. Or you can, if you want to remove that, you can remove that. Right click, remove. Fine. Right click. If you want to add this one, right click. When you will right click, you will have option add, and you can add that gadget on your desktop. And this gadget makes Windows desktop more attractive and beautiful. And you can also perform some operations such as it has calculator, calendar. You can add. Now, if I have internet on my computer, this weather report will tell me the weather of that particular day. Fine. So that's all for today, children. I think with this your chapter is complete. If you want to remove the gadget, you can remove that. You can see this cross, you will close. The gadget will be removed from your desktop. I will remove this. Fine. Now that's all for today. Thank you, children.